I am from Gogras Maths Hub. I shall explain question number 8 that has been taken from exercise 6.3, chapter 6, tangent and normal of NCERT 12 mathematics. Question is, find the point on the curve y equal to x minus 2 का whole square at which tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. Now come out to solution here. Solution implied that here I shall write given the curve y equal to x minus 2 का whole square. Again I shall write implied that y equal to x minus 2 का whole square. Here I shall write differentiating y with respect to x. Here I shall get d over dx of y equal to d over dx of x minus 2 का whole square. Implied that here in center function y is available, in denominator dx is available. That's why dy, d will be conjugated to y, comes out to be dy over dx. So here I shall write dy over dx equal to d over dx of x minus 2 का whole square comes out to be 2 x minus 2 raised to the power 2 minus 1 dot d over dx of x minus 2. Implied that dy over dx equal to 2 I shall write, here I shall write x minus 2. Here d over dx of x comes out to be 1. So here we have got dy over dx equal to 2x minus 4. Here x minus 2 will be multiplied by 2. So 2 will multiply to x comes out to be 2x minus 4 we have got. Now what to do next? Here it says find the point. So we have to find out the required point on which curve at which the tangent, the slope of tangent we have got dy over dx equal to 2x minus 4. So here I shall write hence the slope of the tangent equal to dy over dx equal to 2x minus 4. Hence the slope of tangent equal to dy over dx equal to 2x minus 4. Now here it says the chord joining the point 2, 0 and 4, 4. So here I shall get the slope of the chord. Now I shall get now the slope of the chord. Slope of the chord equal to y2 minus y1 whole over x2 minus x1. This is the formula you must remember. Slope of the chord y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So here I shall write implied that the chord joining the point. So here this point will be x1 comma y1 and this point will be x2 comma y2. Here is said y2 minus y1. To y2 I shall take 4. So here I 4 minus y1. y1 I shall take y1 equal to 0. Whole over x2. Value of x2 I shall take here 4. Minus x1 I shall take here 2. You will get here 4 over 2 comes out to be 2. The slope of the chord we have got equal to 2. Slope of tangent dy over dx equal to 2x minus 4 you have got. Here is case tangent is parallel to the chord. So here I shall write since the tangent is parallel to the chord, therefore since the tangent is parallel to the chord, therefore the slope of the tangent will be equal to slope of the chord. Therefore, the slope of the tangent will be equal to slope of the chord. So here slope of tangent we have got 2x minus 4. So here I shall write 2x minus 4 equal to slope of the chord. The slope of the chord we have got 2. So here we shall get 2x equal to 2 plus 4 comes out to be 6, implied that x equal to 3 we have got. Value of x we have got 3. Put x equal to 3 in the curve y equal to x minus 2 का whole square, implied that y equal to here in place of x I shall write 3. So here I 3 minus 2 का whole square, implied that y equal to 1. So here x equal to 3 we have got and y equal to 1 we have got. The required point will be 3 comma 1. So here hence The required point will be, abscissa will be 3 and ordinate will be 1. This will be the correct answer. The required point will be 3, 1. Here 3 is abscissa, 1 is ordinate. Abscissa and ordinate together make a coordinate. The coordinates of the required point will be 3, 1. This will be the correct answer you have got. In this way, this question number 8, exercise 3.6.3 has been fully explained. Okay, thanks.